Hi guys, it's me Nenji again. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, sana na-miss niyo ako. Today we will be reacting to Darren's Panto singing Uptown Funk dun sa recording niya sa China, Yuko China. I will just continue kung saan ako nag-stop doon sa lineups ng mga i-react kong video. So, actually doon na akong part. It was 2 weeks ata yung last post ko ng reaction video. So, I apologize kung wala akong ma-post na reaction videos about the Aces concert sa Araneta. I was there. Their performance is amazing. Hindi ko mapaliwanag kung ano yung naramdaman ko watching them, especially Darren's Panto singing. So, sana maintindihan nyo kung bakit wala akong masabi or wala akong magawang video reactions dun sa mga performances nila sa concert na yun. I don't know kung bakit. But then today, we will be reacting to his performance, which is a requested song as well with one of my subscribers. Kasi ayoko naman iwan kung ano yung mga ni-request nyo dati, then magja-jump na ako sa latest video. Ayoko nang ganun kasi nag-promise naman ako sa inyo na lahat ng naka-line up, kahit matagal ng video yan, gagawa natin ng reaction video. So, which is ito yun. So, this was his recording or performance sa Yuko China singing Uptown Funk. So, I'm so excited to watch this, and after this one, mag-react tayo sabay-sabay. So, tara guys, let's watch it now.
This hit that ice cone, the shelf price for that white gold. This one.
Sorry. Itong maganda di ko alam sa recording studio na to, pero ang ganda-ganda ng register ng boses niya through the help of these materials. 'Di ba? Kakaiba yung studio nilang to sa China sa mga studio nila dito sa Philippines. Kasi yung studio dito sa Philippines, pag pinanood mo through this video or mga sa video mo na panood, parang wala kang ibang marinig, mic lang, parang tinipid sa volume sa amplifier, sa sounds, I don't know. Pero itong recording niya sa Yuko, this recording na ginawa niya, ang ganda-ganda. Maririnig mo talaga yung kakaibang kakaibang dating nung material na ginagamit niya para masupport yung performance ng isang singer, which is yun yung nangyayari sa performance ni Darren ngayon. So pagpasok pa lang, sapul na, di ba?
Them good girls, straight masterpieces, styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chucks on my Saint Laurent. I gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too high.
Sorry. Pansinin niyo ang confidence niya umaapaw. He is very, very enjoying his performance, di ba? Wala siyang ibang nararamdaman but to sing the song with a bang. Parang gusto niya lang maging masaya, maging maganda yung performance. So, he's not thinking of anything. Pansinin niyo yung reaction ng mukha niya. Napaka-cool, napaka-kalma. Kahit yung kanta is upbeat at mabilis, pero siya relax na relax lang.
Police and the fireman too high. Like a dragon on the retirement too high. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too high. Like a brave valve, that money, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Uptown Funk, gon' give it to you. Saturday night, oh, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey.
Look at his physical characteristics. He's doing it again. Kasi diba, if you are watching with my previous reactions, every singers, yung mga physical gestures, reactions, and characteristics nila can also help them to, you know, to release their emotions, the meaning somehow of the song. So yun yung ginagawa ni Darren dito. So nakikita natin na masaya siya sa performance niya. Kaya even his body, kung ano yung nangyayari at mga movements niya, sinasabay niya yung mga beat, which is ang galing, ang ganda. Well, sa boses, it's so clean, ang linis, ang soft. Yung pagpasok pa lang niya kanina, diba? Ang bilis, inista ko kaagad kasi, pinost ko kaagad kasi, ang linis ng dating, I don't know, because dahil din siguro sa mic or sa studio mismo, which is so beautiful. Oh, runs.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. No, don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 whoa, stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show out, we gonna show out. Smoother than a fresh dry skipping. I'm too high for the police and the fireman. I'm too high. You can drag him underneath.
Naririnig niyo yung mga dulo ng phrasing ni Darren. This is so cool kasi may mga like 2 to 3 flow ng vibrato, di ba? Na hindi natin mapapansin. Pero there is like a beautiful vibrato na pinapakita at pinaparinig sa atin si Darren sa mga kanta or sa kantang to. Though, kasi somehow, pag ang kanta is upbeat, hindi mo na mapapansin yung mga elements yung range, nung song, elements ng singer kung paano nila nire-release yung kanta ng maayos at maganda. Pero sa kantang to, Darren did that at rinig na rinig ko. Sobrang ganda nung mga vibrato. It's like 3 to 4 vibrato sa dulo ng mga phrasing niya or phrases niya, which is ang ganda-ganda. And again, ang boses niya dito, sobrang iba, maybe because aside sa maganda na boses ni Darren, mas pinaganda pa yung mga timpla ng recording studio na to, yung boses niya, so which is so beautiful.
Tell you, man, I'm too high. Now say my name, you know who I am, I'm too high. Nigga brag about that money, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night, we in the spot. No, don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Yun yung sinasabi ko may prato.
No, don't believe me, just watch.
Yeah.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. And I don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 whoa. Hey.
Galing.
I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.
Di ko napansin si Darren talaga na medyo sa part na to sa age na to, hindi pa siya nag-undergo, hindi pa siya nakakaramdam ng pag-change ng boses niya, ng range niya. Kasi napaka-easy sa kanyang ibuga yung mga notes na nararapat sa kanta. This is one of the hardest song ni Bruno Mars, di ba? Pero sa kanya, easy, relax na relax. Parang walang hirap sa kanyang kantahin yung kanta. At nilalagyan niya pa ng sarili niyang texture and flavor yung song. So, ang galing kasi makikita natin sa performance na to kung ano yung mga nangyayari or mga nagawa ni Darren nung time or this time na nandito pa siya sa age na wala pa siyang pinoproblema sa paglaki ng boses niya. Makikita natin yung difference sa boses niya noon at boses niya ngayon, which is hindi naman ganun kalayuan, di ba? Ay, Darren, di ko alam kung anong mga vocal exercises ginagawa niya kasi yung boses niya this video at boses niya pag kumanta siya ng live, believe me or not, pareho lang.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Hey, now dance, jump on it. If you fancy, then own it. If you freaky, then own it. Don't brag about it, come show me now. Dance, jump on it. If you fancy, then own it. Well, it's Saturday night and we in the spot. No, don't believe me, just watch.
Oh, that runs. That's his own style.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. And I don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 whoa! Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Now uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. And now uptown, funk you up. Yeah. Uptown, funk you up. And then uptown, funk you up. Hey, uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Now uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Yeah, well, it's Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Thank you.
So yun guys, ang ganda ng mga runs ni Darren, yung mga own style na ginamit niya at yung kung paano niya dinagdagan ng flavor, yung ganda na ng original song, mas pinaganda niya pa. Napansin niyo yung earpiece niya is parang nakaganito. So parang may naka-close at may naka-open. Kasi the only reason why may ganun is para mas marinig, mas matimpla, mabalance niya yung boses niya na maririnig niya sa sarili niya at yung boses na maririnig ng tao. So, kaya nakaganon yun para mabalance niya kung ano yung dapat na volume or volume and pitch ng song. Volume and tone ng song na kailangan niyang i-release through his beautiful voice. So, yun yung reason. And aside from that, the flow ng mga runs niya, ang ganda. Yung mga vibrato, kung paano niya ginawa ng technique. Tsaka yung mga parang pasigaw niya sa dulo. Napansin, siguro may mga 2 beses o 3 beses niya ginawa yun. Ang ganda kasi parang nadadala niya. Parang, imagine mo, parang siyang nasa stage kumakanta. Nadadala niya yung buong stage without anyone na kasama niya sa stage, di ba? Pasok na pasok. Ang ganda ng performance. I love this Yuko Studio. I love this I love this studio na ginawa niya ng song na to. Ang galing, ang ganda ng timplada ng mga kasi sa isang studio it's not just about singing, 'di ba? Kahit ang ganda na ng boses mo, titimplahin pa rin nila kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung mas maganda sa panrinig nila. So, yun din yung ginawa nila dito. Pero again guys, believe me or not, itong boses niya dito narinig nyo at yung boses niya sa personal is just the same. Siguro nilagyan lang nila ng kasi ang linis ng background, di ba? Wala kang maririnig na ingay, wala kang yung music lang talaga maririnig mo din yung boses niya. So siguro yun lang yung adjustment na ginawa ng Yuko sa recording na to. Pero pag pinanood mo si Darren singing sa personal, mas maa-amaze ka. Me, myself, actually, dun sa nung nanood ako nung The Ace Araneta, may song siya dun na sobra akong kulang na lang tumulo yung laway ko nung narinig ko siyang kumanta ng Phantom of the Opera. Yung from normal voice, normal niyang normal range, tapos biglang nag-switch doon sa falsetto, going to chest and head tone. Hindi nyo alam kung ano naramdaman ko nun. Sobrang goosebumps. Ang ganda-ganda, di ko mapaliwanag, pero parang gusto ko nang itigil yung video kasi binivideo ko yung time. Kasi pag ikaw nanonood ng concert at nag-video ka, hindi mo ma-enjoy masyado. Pero that time, kaya yung video ko is so shaky kasi hindi ko na alam gagawin ko kung I will stop the video at manonood ako or I will continue. Pero just for the sake of everyone na nag-aantay ng videos at ng ipopost ko, pinagpatuloy ko na lang yun kahit gusto kong itigil kasi nga gusto ko mag-focus sa performance kasi sobrang amazed ako doon kung paano niya switch yung boses niya going doon sa falsetto through regular voice. Hindi mo mapapansin kung paano niya nagawa. Isa yung hindi siya technique, para siyang talent. Masasabi kong talent kasi maraming singer ang pwedeng mag-switch ng boses nila sa falsetto, pero kay Darren kakaiba talaga. Hindi ko mapaliwanag kung ano yun. So, yun guys, yung reactions ko for today. So, hopefully you like my reactions, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please give me, or please select or push the subscribe button and then the bell notification under this video para kayong unang-unang notified or kayong unang-unang makapanood ng videos ko. So, that's all for today guys, and see you in my next video and have a great day. Mwah.